Namaste. Welcome to Diabetic Control with Yoga Part 3. In Part 1 and Part 2, we learned complete asana sequence. Now in this Part 3, we will learn about pranayamas and meditation with yoga mudras. Let's begin with basic pranayama, that is single nostril breath. Vishnu Mudra. Bend index and middle fingers and keep the other fingers upright. Close the right nostril with your right thumb. Inhale slowly through the left nostril as long as you can do it with comfort. Then exhale very slowly through the same nostril. Do 12 times. This is one round. Inhale slowly. Then exhale very slowly through the same nostril. Then inhale through the right nostril by closing the left nostril with your right ring and little finger, and exhale very slowly through the same nostril. Do 12 times. This is one round. Close your eyes. Concentrate on Trikuti, that is the space between the two eyebrows. Breathe without making noise. Exhalation must be longer than inhalation. Now inhale slowly through left nostril with retention, holding the breath at least 5 to 10 seconds, and exhale very slowly. Do 12 times. This is one round with holding breath. Do not make any sound during inhalation and exhalation. Repeat your Ishta mantra during the practice. In the second week of practice, do 2 rounds. In the third week, 3 rounds. And take rest for 2 minutes when one round is over. Now inhale through right nostril slowly. Retention, hold the breath at least 5 to 10 seconds. Then exhale very slowly. Do 12 times. This is one round with retention breath. If you take a few normal breaths when one round is over, that will give you sufficient rest and you will be fresh for the next round. You can increase the number of rounds according to your strength and capacity. Relax. Take some normal breaths. Now, Nadi Sodhana Pranayama. Alternate nostril breathing. Inhale through left nostril. Exhale slowly through right nostril. Then inhale through right nostril. Exhale slowly through left nostril. This pranayama improves brain functions, balances acid and alkaline levels, brain chemicals and fluids, control blood pressure, and corrects imbalance in the nasal cycle, cleans up the respiratory passages, relieves fatigue, anxiety, depression, migraine, and sinus problems. It is also called Anuloma Viloma. Now inhale through left nostril slowly. Retention breath. Then exhale through right nostril slowly. Small retention. Again inhale through right nostril. Retention as your comfort. Exhale through left nostril. Small retention. Repeat it continuously. Let's know about pranayama, regulation of life force. Prana means oxygen or vital energy or life force. Ayama means control or regulate or expand. Regulation of life force. Pranayama is conscious prolongation of inhalations, exhalations, and retentions. It is a scientific technique that purifies energies, calms, relaxes, and heals the body and mind. Breathing is the most important function in the body. Prana is the life force that controls mental and physical functions. Insufficiency of prana can lead to many health issues. When prana is expanded in a rhythmic way, there is increased vitality, stability, calmness, and longevity, good health. Relax, take some simple breaths. Now, Kapalabhati Pranayama, skull shining breath. This pranayama lightens the skull, brings fresh glow on the face, and hence the name. A unique cleansing pranayama that perfect flushing out of impurities through the nostrils. For beginners, place one hand on your abdomen and other your chest. Practice one forceful out breath every second. Do it for 10 to 20 times and pause for 2 to 3 seconds and restart. After few weeks of dedicated practice, there will be ease in your practice and the pauses will reduce. You can increase the speed to 2 forceful out breaths per second. Maintain the speed throughout your practice. Relax, some normal breaths and another beginner's variation. People with health issues must practice slowly with several poses, synchronizing out breaths with movement of the abdomen. After partial inhalation, exhale forcefully with sharp puffing sound by drawing your abdomen in. This pranayama is just systematic, sharp, forcible exhalations with the rapid contractions of the abdomen muscles. Like this. The toxins are perfectly removed from the cellular level through your nostrils. In this pranayama, inhalations are automatic and passive. Please do not pay attention to them. The passive inhalations help to relax the abdominal muscles and facilitate forcible exhalations with perfect rhythm. This pranayama refreshes the brain, balances chemicals and fluids, energizes all systems, builds muscle and bone mass, increases stem cells in bone marrow, relieves diabetes, kidney problems, high and low BP, migraine, thyroid, sinus problems. Relax, bend forward with support of our hands, take some normal breaths. For beginners, sit on a cushion, use cushions, support our back against a wall. Now, Brahmari Pranayama, beast breath, a humming beast breath sound. Shanmukha Mudra, close your ears with thumb, your eyes with index and middle fingers. Place your ring and little finger near your nostril and below your lips. Inhale deeply, exhale. Om. Exhale through your nose, creating a humming sound that vibrates as Om. The sound vibrates in the head, refreshes brain, calms tense nerves, and the restless mind. This pranayama refreshes and nourishes the brain, calms the mind, balances hormones, improves confidence, relieves high BP, mental stress, anxiety, depression, anger, fear, insomnia. Relax, take some normal breaths, silence home setting with meditation. Now, meditation with yoga mudras. Apana mudra, descending energy seal. Press the tips of your middle, ring finger and your thumb together. Keep your index finger and little finger upright. This Apana mudra detoxifies the body and revitalizes all the systems. Relieves toothache, high BP, diabetes, hemorrhoids, and also relieves indigestion, constipation, kidney and gallbladder stones, prostate, menstrual and menopausal problems. Mudras for everyone. They awaken cosmic energies, purify mind, body and soul. They are finger postures performed by pressing two fingertips together, by flexing and stretching the other fingers in particular manner. Now, Apana Vayu Mudra, descending wind seal. This is a combination of Apana and Vayu Mudra. Place your index finger as in Vayu Mudra and your middle, ring and thumb finger as in Apana Mudra. This Apana Vayu Mudra corrects imbalances in the five elements, that is fire, air, ether, earth and water, and also relieves cardiac problems and prevents heart attack. Relieves flatulence, acidity, gastritis, migraine and joint pain, and also removes impurities in blood, improves circulation. Yoga mudras stimulate electromagnetic energies, active doormat nerves, correct imbalances and heals many ailments. They are engaged during pranayama and meditation and while practicing certain asanas. Some foods to control diabetes. Eat chromium rich foods, that is broccoli, whole grains, oats, nuts, soya beans, Bengal gram, black gram, bottle gourd, pomegranate, pineapple, banana, black pepper, basil, cheese and other milk products. And eat frequent small meals for better digestion. Check your blood sugar regularly. Thank you.